Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Printify to sell t-shirts online through Shopify. The first thing you want to do once you're on Shopify, I want you to create an account and you can get started for completely free. I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on Add Apps. From there, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store. Then you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're now going to tap on the search bar at the top and you're going to type in Printify and you can see it right there. And by the way, Printify is one of the most popular print-on-demand platforms around as it is beginner friendly and easy to use. So you're going to tap on Printify right here. Then you're going to tap on Install. After you have selected Install, you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on Install once more. After selecting Install once more, you'll be redirected to the Printify dashboard. Once you have selected Install, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And after you're signed in, you can tap on Open Full Site in the top right hand corner. After selecting Open Full Site, from there we're going to tap on Login. So let's log in real quick. So we'll tap right there and use our Google account to log in to the full site version. Once you're logged in, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner. So because I had created other accounts before, I'm just going to select the Shopify store account. After you have done that, you can select Catalog from the left hand menu option. Then you can select whether you would like to start selling men's t-shirt or women's t-shirt or kids t-shirt. You have different options and you can also see the different options that you could go into instead of t-shirt. So let's say we were to select men's t-shirt, and by the way, if you would like to change the target market, at the moment it is set at USA. If we would like to change it to, for example, Canada, you could do that. And by scrolling down, you may be wondering what does this stand for, why we have so many different options. Well, with each option, you will be able to offer a different type of material and you'll also be able to offer a different delivery time. So you can see these two options will allow you to offer your customers express delivery, and this is the best seller right here. It is a unisex garment dyed t-shirt and you can see the pricing point. So the pricing point varies and also the type of colors that you'll be able to offer your customers vary. So those are the different options. Once you have found an option that you like, let's say for example this one, you can select it. Then you're going to tap on Start Designing. Now, what I would recommend you do if you're just getting started is use Canva to create your design. Canva is a platform that you can sign up on for completely free. So you're going to go onto Canva and from there you could type in t-shirt for example sake. After you have done that, you can see that you're provided with thousands of templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down until you have found a template of your liking. And let's say for example sake, I would like to use this template. Then you can tap on Customize this template. After you have selected Customize this template, you can add your own personal touches. So let's say for example, we were to go over to the top left hand corner and select Elements. And I'm just going to type in Nurse. After doing that, we're going to select Graphics. And let's see which graphic we can use for free. Let's say for example, we were to use this graphic right here. I could select the graphic, or better yet this one. I could select the graphic and then I could minimize it. So I'm going to be adding that graphic right here. And then we'll go over to the top right hand corner, tap on Share, then tap on Download and select Download once more. Once it has been downloaded, we're going to go back into Printify, tap on Upload in the top left hand corner, tap on My Device. Then from there, we're going to select our design, then tap on Open. And you can see our design is being added right there. Then you can also pull on the end to adjust the size if you want. So we could do that. Once it is to your liking, You can scroll down and from there you can tap on Save Product. After selecting Save Product, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to choose the mockups and you can view the mockups to see how they look. So you can see them right there. You can also add in a title and you can also edit the description and you can also edit the price. So at the moment you can see the recommended price is $15 and you'll be getting $6 for profit. So you can change that if you want by tapping on Select All, then tap on Edit Price and you could edit the price. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Publish. After selecting Publish, you're going to tap on Confirm and Save. Then you'll just give it a few seconds while the product is being pushed to your store. While the product is being pushed to your store, I want to show you a platform that you can start selling on. And the platform that I would recommend that you start selling on is Pinterest. And the reason why I recommend Pinterest is, depending on the niche that you're going in, Pinterest is a good platform to get a lot of organic visitors to your store. So once you're signed up to Pinterest, all you'll need to do now, you can start creating different pins. And you can also use Canva to create pins. So you could go onto Canva, for example's sake, if we were to go back, and then you could type in, for example, pins, or you can type in Pinterest. So let's do that. And you can see the option right there, Pinterest carousel, and you can use the different template examples. For example, if we were to go onto Pinterest, tap on the search bar, and remember that the t-shirt that I had created is related to nurse. So if I were to type in nurse right here, and the next thing that I like about Pinterest is a lot of persons go onto Pinterest to search. So if you know how to target different keywords, you'll be able to get a lot of organic visitors. And you can see right here different pages that are targeting nurses. So you can see, for example, if we were to tap on this one, then tap on Teddy Nurse. So let's go onto their page. You don't need a lot of followers to get a lot of views. This page has only 119 followers, but is still able to get over 1 million views per month. So you can see right there that with Pinterest, you'll be able to get a lot of organic visitors. And let's go back so you can see it has been published. So if we were to go back into our Shopify store and close this, tap on products in the top left hand corner, you can see our t-shirt right here. It is now added onto our Shopify store. So you can see how it looks right there. And after doing that, all you'll need to do now is continue with the editing of your website by simply going over to the left hand menu option and tapping on Online Store. And from there, you can customize how the theme appears by tapping on Customize. Then you'll be able to change the cover page, the home page right here. So you can do that from the left hand menu option. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.